Tonight I'm going to use my cast iron pan to cook on the grill, and we're going to make a snack. It's called Jalapeno Popper Dip. So a lot of you are used to eating jalapeno poppers either with cheddar or with cream cheese, but we're going to make it tonight using both in the nice cast iron pan, and we're going to slowly cook it on the grill. I'm using a large cast iron pan, but you can adjust the recipe. First I'm going to start with 2 blocks of cream cheese. Got a lot of noise in the background here tonight. Just going to throw them in there and press them down to the bottom. Okay, these are 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. I'm just going to squish them down to flatten them out. They will melt, but I want to get them on the bottom so that it covers the whole bottom of the pan. I spread the cream cheese out over the bottom of the pan pretty evenly. The next step is I'm going to take a can of pinto beans, spread these around on top. Then I'm going to take some jalapenos, which I already have chopped up. We're going to spread them around. In the meantime, I'm heating up my grill. It's already on low. And next we're going to take a jar of Toastitos medium salsa. And this flavor is roasted garlic. It's a new flavor. So we'll give that a try. Pour that over top. And then we have some cheddar cheese. Cover it with cheddar cheese. To be nice and cheesy. Now I used about 3 cups. Alright, now I'm going to cover this with foil because I want to keep the heat down as low as possible into the pan. Alright, and remember to use pot holders here because when you go to take it out, the pan's going to be hot. So let's get it in the grill. What's nice about this pan is it has a handle on each side. Alright, we're just going to let it sit in there. And I have the burners on low. I'm going to make sure that it doesn't burn because it won't be nice if it burns on the bottom. So we'll be back to check this in about 5 minutes. Alright, let's take a peek, see how it's doing, okay? Take a look under the foil. Just want to make sure how far we're... Oh my gosh, look at that. It's bubbling. There's only one little spot to get hot yet, and then we're going to be able to eat it. Alright, now I'm going to cover it back up and let it finish up. A couple more minutes. Alright, I'm going to take it off the grill now. Put it over here. Yummy. It's hot, hot, hot. Take a peek here. Oh my gosh, look at the bubbling. Can you get a close-up of that? Look at how it's bubbling. I can smell the jalapenos. Yummy. Okay, we're going to sit down and taste it. Alright, we're going to give it a try. Rick's going to help me out to sample this. Put some Toastitos scoops down first. Got a little noise in the background, but scoop up some of this gooey, delicious stuff. Put it on. Chips. We're going to give it a little bit of sour cream topping. You think you're going to like this? You think you're going to like this? Saw that. Look, I just want to show you. Wow, yummy snack, right? That's nice to eat out on the deck. Are you fooling around over here? Huh?
For your Ant-Man for the picnic?
Oh, Ant-Man.
Picnic?
Yeah, ants always come to the picnic, right? And it's my favorite superhero. Do you have a superhero favorite? You should tell me what it is. If you write a comment. What's your favorite superhero?
Me.
Well, if you took that and you added it to Ant-Man's skills, just think how much fun it would be, huh?
Iron Man.
Iron Man. Okay. I think this is a fun thing to make if you're cooking out. You gotta save yourself some grill space though, because cast iron pan, I mean that's a big pan and we're gonna eat most of it probably, right?
Yeah.
It's spicy though. You could adjust the heat by changing which kind of salsa you add to it. Well, our neighbor's playing with his motorcycle over there. Right at the moment that we wanted to show you this nice.
He does it on purpose.
You can smell when we cook stuff. I think this is great. I do like jalapeno poppers though. Which kind do you like better, cream cheese or cheddar? You know how some have cream cheese filling and some have cheddar?
Oh, is that what we're eating? Jalapeno poppers?
It's jalapeno popper dip.
Oh.
It has,
I like them both.
me too. There we go. I'm gonna do a selfie.
What?
Pick up a chip.
A shelfie? Why you keep moving from
Don't
closer?
get your face in.
Oh, yeah. Come back. Maybe I should put that in there and show them how it came out. Huh?
Yeah, we'll show you our selfie done. Okay, well.
It was my bad side.
Thanks for joining us for some jalapeno popper dip. Try it if you like the recipe. We'll catch you later.